Welcome to your next upgrade with the TokeShimi 14x18 bathroom mirror medicine cabinet, featuring a lightweight aluminum frame that is 65% lighter than traditional wood, making installation easy. This cabinet is moisture-proof and rust-resistant, perfect for humid bathroom environments. It includes 2 stepless adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize storage for everything from skincare to electric toothbrushes. The sleek frameless design with an HD mirror fits any decor style and offers soft closing hinges for quiet, smooth use. You can mount it recessed or surface mounted, with options for left or right door installation to suit your space. Assembly is straightforward with clear instructions and customer support if needed. Enjoy a stylish and practical bathroom upgrade that blends durability and elegance seamlessly. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.